Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Charlene with Sweet Pieces by Me, and I've noticed I have not done an unboxing in a while, so I wanted to show you guys what I ordered for in February, but it's for the month of March. So I'm going to have my card class in March, and I did order a couple of free things for myself that I had some rewards for. So I'm show you what I got. So in my order, in every order, you did get a monthly catalog, and as a demonstrator or consultant, you do get I think if it's close to the next month, you'll get the following month's catalog. So I did get the January, February catalog. February is almost over, so I did get the March, April catalog. Okay, so I saw this stamp set, Thin Cuts and Stamp Set, and it was super cute. It is a pie chart, and I thought it was so cute because so it cuts the pie, right? So you can cut those out or circles, and then you can get the stamp set called What I Love, and that's B1738, and the Thin Cuts is Z3921, and it says What I Love, and then your pie chart can have all of these, and I love that it has tacos and puppies, yeah, and vacation, crafting. I just love it. I thought it'd be so cute for cards. So I got those. I got some perk stamps for my customers. I'll do a drawing at my class, and I have these little stamps that they were only $1.50 for me as a consultant, but they're so cute. This one is a little alligator. It says "Oh snap," and then this one is a little pig, and it says "Stinking cute." Okay, so I got those, and then I wanted to do happy birthday cards, and I found this stamp. It was really affordable. I think it was like $3.50. And I can use that for my birthday cards in my class. So it's M1277, and it's a really swirly happy birthday. It's really cute. And then I also want to do some sympathy cards, so I got this one stamp, My Deepest Sympathy, M1279. So that'll be great for sympathy cards. And then a friend let me borrow a happy birthday stamp set to go with this paper that I got. So I'm very excited about this paper. We got this stamp set that she let me borrow, this birthday borders, which is Z3780. Birthday borders. This is the stamp and thin cut set. So it has the stamps, then it has the dies to cut. This one, the candles, the presents, the balloons, and the happy birthday. So can't wait to make cards with that. And I'm going to use this cute paper. So this is the party time paper. And this pack is, I think it's X8016B. I'm going to go ahead and take this out so I can show you guys how cute this paper looks. Super cute. I have a lot of birthdays coming up. May and June are really big birthday months, so I will be stocking up. So we got this cute paper with blue, greens, yellows. And on the back side, it's got pink and orange. And so really cute for girl or boy birthdays. And yellow stars. Sorry, I forgot to add that. Yellow stars, pink hearts. Okay. And notice the zip strip at the top too. You can cut that off and use that too. So at the top, it's got happy birthday in all different colors. You can use that as an accent on cards or scrapbooking. And we have this plaid-like paper with polka dot zip strip at the top. And on the back, white polka dots on pink paper. Real cute. And we have some stars. This would be cute for a baby page too. Boy birthday or baby page. Boy baby. Or girl. Candles. Pretty different color candles there. Pink, yellow, and orange. and pretty striped paper, and then some stars on the zip strip, and polka dots. Really cute. So that's that paper, and you get 2 sheets of each pattern in the pack, so that way you can use, you know, the one side, some blue presents there, pink and pretty teal colored presents on this side. I love that color. So you got more of a feminine one and then more of a masculine one. But, you know, you can use it for whatever. It doesn't have to be girl, boy. So, of course, they give you 2 sheets. So if you want to use the pink side for one, you still have your other piece. And you can do the blue side. And lastly is that confetti, pretty confetti, and the happy birthday on the other side. So, very excited to use that with the matching cardstock, which is X8016C Party Time Coordinating Cardstock. So I'll just zip through this really quick. 2 of each colors. And you got, of course, one side is a light and one side is a dark. So you can see that variation there. It's slightly varied, but so you have the blue, you've got a light pink, you got a dark pink, that pretty teal color, a yellow color, bright yellow, and an orange color. And I did spend $50, so I was able to pick my stamp set of the month for $5, and it's so cute. This is the March stamp of the month, and if you're a VIP customer, you do get this for free when you spend $50. This is S2103. It's called Winged Masterpiece Stamp of the Month. And again, this is going to be the March one. So, so pretty. It's going to be very pretty when colored. The butterfly and the dragonfly. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day.